If you want to use a memory card or micro SD card on Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, then in that case, unfortunately, you cannot use the SIM tray because there is simply no way to insert it. The micro SD card is as big as the whole SIM tray, and there is no micro SD card slot over here. So what you can do instead is you can use a memory card reader. Now, I know it is definitely inconvenient to use it on a daily basis, especially this one, but there are smaller memory card readers as well, where we have only the micro SD card slot. But the general idea is that you insert the micro SD card into the memory card reader, and then with the USB-C cable, you connect it to the phone. And this is how you can access the storage. And obviously, this is not ideal, this is not perfect at all. You don't really want to use that, especially on a daily basis. Maybe in only specific situations where you just really want to transfer something from one storage to another. But unfortunately, this is the only way to actually use a micro SD card on Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G. These memory card readers are fairly cheap and also easy to find. Just make sure that you have one that has USB-C cable so you can connect it to your Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.